This is the dish to make when you need to feel warm and cozy. A creamy and irresistible rice and beans. To start with, you need to soak the dried beans for 8 hours, but it's even better if you can do this overnight. After which, drain and rinse them. Then put them in the saucepan. Cover them with plenty of cold water. Please do not add salt. Bring them to the boil and let them cook for about an hour. And here we have our cooked beans and their cooking broth. Put it all to one side, and we're going to prepare a delicious base by making a rich mirepoix with a splash of oil, chopped onion, celery, and carrot. And gently stir them for about 8 minutes so that the vegetables will be perfectly stewed. Now add the rice and let it toast, or rather develop a flavor, for a couple of minutes. Add the warm bean broth, followed by salt and pepper. Wait for it to come back to the boil, then let it cook for the time indicated on the rice package while stirring it every so often. Then, a few minutes before it's finished cooking, add the cooked beans and mix it up well. Then turn off the heat and finish it off with some chopped parsley. Give it one last mix up, season with salt and pepper if you think it needs it, and we're ready to plate up. Give it one final splash of oil, one last touch of parsley, and now last of all, we can eat it.